Okay, folks, the OpenAI and Q-Star saga continues, and this new leak seems really interesting. Now, before I get into the details of it all, I just want to make it clear that OpenAI has not confirmed anything yet. We're still waiting for them to comment on this new leak. So, a recent tweet was posted that has been floating around the internet for quite some time now. According to the tweet, Q-Star is designed to enhance the traditional dialogue system developed by OpenAI by integrating an energy-based model. The tweet also mentions that Q-Star is developed in a way that it aims to mimic a form of intelligent liberation with thought processes like a human during complex problem solving, such as analyzing potential chess moves, making a prediction, and providing a rapid decision. So Q-Star is basically changing the way LLMs think. The company is moving from token prediction methods to something similar to human thought processes. Using these energy-based models, the AI is able to assess the compatibility of an answer to a question with scalar outputs. Now, these outputs show the energy of the responses. Here, a low value means it's highly compatible, which means it's a better answer, and a higher value indicates lower compatibility. This system will allow Q-Star to evaluate potential responses realistically. It moves beyond the traditional or sequential predictions of tokens to understand the relevance or appropriateness. The energy-based model embedded in Q-Star may have been trained using prompts and responses which are further adjusted to minimize the resulting energy for pairs with common responses while keeping the energy level high for pairs with different outputs. The process can be achieved using annotated datasets with a combination of contrastive approaches where the system can accurately differentiate between compatible and non-compatible pairs, as well as non-contrastive methods, which typically involve regularization techniques to limit the generation of low-energy answers. Now, Q-Star's alleged approach is a totally new and out-of-the-box departure from what one has seen before with traditional language models. In short, Q-Star seeks a more efficient, reasoned, and possibly a stronger method of producing dialogue responses. The tweet also talks about the innovation of abstract representation space that lies in its optimization process. This is not conducted within the space of text strings, but instead in an abstract representation of space. This basically means that all thoughts and ideas will be represented in a form where the computational minimization of the outputs finds the least path of resistance in the landscape. This process includes a gradient descent-based method to find the minimum function applied to refine these abstract representations. This is especially done for those that give low energy as compared to the prompt. The main idea behind this concept is to bridge the gap between non-linguistic concepts of the dialogue system to linguistic outputs needed for human interaction. Now, through exploiting the abstract space of representation and taking advantage of gradient-based inference, Q-Star may seek for a more efficient, reasoned, and possibly a stronger method of producing dialogue responses. Not only will the system enhance the quality of generated text, but also serve as a prototype for the development of new features of AI that will show the ability to understand and mimic human-like thinking and conversational interaction. This is called the chain of thought prompting. What this basically means is that the method teaches Q-Star to take one step at a time and not just jump right away to the final answer. The model may even aim to apply the divide and conquer strategy, hereby decomposing the entire problem in small steps, each of which is easier for the model to tackle based on the training data. Once again, the rumors state that for the implications of the dialogue system, Q-Star will leverage EBMs to generate dialogue. Now, this is significant because it shows us how OpenAI has decided not to use the traditional method of modeling, but instead use the abstract representation space. Not only this, but it even offers a blueprint for all future advancements in AI for it to be able to engage, reason, and have a conversation just like a human. Additionally, there are speculations that OpenAI may even attempt to use Verifier, a model of evaluating each step in the reasoning procedure. Instead of making the whole solution in one step, the method follows each step of the reasoning. In this fashion, models have shown better results than using a single model to generate the solution. So, Q-Star initially took the spotlight because of its unique instrumental capability in mathematics to perform. This will seem a rather small step for those who have seen what large amounts of data analysis can accomplish, but it's a very big step for AGI in the sense that it would be the first manifestation of actual conscious decision-making by the AI. Current AI models are strong at language tasks, which are done by predicting the next word or phrase statistically. This way of working is good in language, but in mathematics, where there's always one way to calculate, their power to solve it has been limited. The mathematics solving ability of Q-star by its massive computing resources shows that it has a degree of reasoning and problem-solving skills that are more complex than non-human. Unlike a mere calculator or other specialized tool intended to solve only a particular mathematical operation, Q-star, as a general intelligence system, is able to be flexible, to learn, and to understand that allows it to solve a collection of problems, which is a nice difference. Alright folks, quick break to ask you, if you think this video has been valuable to you, please subscribe to the channel. That way, you'll stay updated on the upcoming AI news, and it would be an immense support. But now, back to our topic. So in 2019, a research paper was published by OpenAI called Implicit Generation and Modeling with Energy-Based Models. According to this paper, the energy-based models have a certain system to think in a different and unique way. It also provides problem-solving answers. Now, what this means is that when you ask it questions, the system doesn't just give you any answer. It first provides you with ideas and concepts and what you can expect the final answer to be. And then it has the ability to give you an idea of how good these concepts or ideas are. So, like I mentioned before, each of these ideas come with different energies. A good idea will have a low energy, and a bad idea will have a high energy. So what you can do is take the idea with low energy and rework on it as much as you can till you find the best possible output. Post which, the best idea is translated into words which gives the answer to your question in the prompt. People actually consider this the future of AI mainly because of how flexible and adaptive it is. You'll get multiple solutions to a single prompt, which is so different from traditional model concepts. In fact, these traditional models are known to struggle with finding the best solutions for you because of so many possibilities available out there. So it might take too long to find a solution, or could even get stuck somewhere along the lines. In fact, Sam Altman has even done an interview where he spoke about how ChatGPT can actually provide you with 10,000 answers, out of which only one of them will be good. Now, I know you'd want to get the best answer every single time, and I guess this is something that they're working on. But the reason why I'm bringing up this research paper is because it's very similar to the situation with Q-star. So, whichever kind of system you use to get your final output, you need to know that an energy-based model offers a promising output as compared to a traditional model. The paper that was published was not actually for text outputs, but instead for graphics, so this actually got a lot of talk on the internet. Now, while the development of Q-star has been met with excitement and optimism within the AI community, it has also raised significant concerns about the potential risks and ethical implications associated with such a powerful system. In order to make these AI systems safe and aligned with human values, there have been attempts to create artificial intelligence systems from the beginning with the use of inverse reinforcement as well as value learning. In short, we just have to wait and see if Q-star will really change the world. But in the meantime, drop a Q in the comments if you watched the whole video, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next Q-star news. See you in the next one, folks. You all take care.